Hello, YouTubers. Back on day 2 plus the Chevy C10 65 model. We're got the floor cut out here. Sad to say the rocker panel wasn't that bad, but it was missing a lip. So I'm going to replace that. Got the floor cut out down to the floor brace. Factory floor support was good. See no sense in replacing that because patch panels that you get, the patch brace is not the same. So we're going to put a floor pan in here and a side rocker cover in here. And we've got to patch this hole in the floor where they had a shifter. And we got some work over there to do. But that's for another day. So check back here and we'll show you after we get this panel started to set it in here.